If you own the Pacifica with the 3.6-liter Pentastar engine, you may experience serious head gasket issues. Head gaskets wear down quickly and require replacement, which is a very expensive job. So there is a certain misunderstanding with recalls and TSBs for these engines, although Chrysler admitted that their 3.6-liter Pentastar engines in this generation tend to have issues with engine heads and gaskets. There has never been a recall or even a TSB covering these V6 machines. Also, the warranty has never been extended, and there was a standard powertrain warranty that obviously won't work for the model year 2018, for example. Surprisingly, exactly the 2018 model year gets the majority of the complaints, so I believe there was a batch of faulty heads at that time, but still no additional information from Chrysler. Also, what creates even more misunderstanding is that there was a warranty extension for the 3.6-liter Pentastar engines in model year 2011 to 2013. This was covered by the TSB number 09-00214 revision B, but it doesn't cover the new model years in any way. There was a bunch of engines with faulty heads that would create misfiring in one of the heads, but this problem is completely unrelated to gasket leaks in model year 2018. So unfortunately, there is little to no help from Chrysler if you have a leaky head gasket, and unless you are covered by a pre-purchased extended warranty, you will have to find an independent repair shop to check the engine heads and install the new gaskets, which is an extremely expensive job. What you may consider is reporting this issue to the NHTSA as a safety problem, since this may lead to engine locking up if neglected, and hope that hundreds of other owners will report this too. In this case, NHTSA will start an investigation, and Chrysler may eventually come up with a warranty extension with reimbursement campaigns for everyone who already paid for gasket replacement. It wouldn't hurt to contact the main Chrysler dealer in the USA before you invest in repairs and ask them to cover the cost. Since the problem is common, they may consider some ways to participate in the repairs, but as real life shows, they don't care much about this problem as of now.